All right, guys, so I wanted to come and share with you some really quick tips that you can implement today to make more money with the book that you are writing. So, number one, be very targeted. Your targeting is going to impact everything from your content to your marketing. Listen, your book is not for everybody. Everybody does not want to read your book, and your book is not for women ages 12 to 36 because 12-year-olds have totally different needs than a woman that is 36 years old and is seasoned and has experience. So make sure that you do your research, okay? So when you are writing your book, you should have a particular individual in mind that you are speaking to. And this goes for your marketing as well. Having clarity on your target audience will help you to position yourself as the expert, all right? Which leads me to number two, which is you need to solve a problem with your book. So what's the purpose of your book? What problem are you solving? Like, what are you helping people learn? And why should they even read your book? And for those of you all who are writing memoirs, your memoir should still solve a specific problem. Not just talking about yourself, but you should be sharing parts of your story along with sharing tips and strategies that others can implement into their life and in their businesses to get a transformation and a result. Number three, include lead magnets in your book. Remember that your book is the gateway. It is not the final destination. So you should include lead magnets to drive people back to your website. So you can include links to checklists and PDFs and videos by simply including the link in your book at the end of your chapter. Okay, and at the very end of the book, you can incorporate sales pages, forms, and additional information about how people can purchase items from you, okay? And number four, you definitely want to use your book to speak, okay? Because speaking puts you in front of a room where you are one to many instead of one to one. And I promise you, if you do an excellent job on the stage, if you engage your audience, and if you provide them with tips and strategies that they can immediately implement to get results, you're going to sell out of your books, and you will probably sell out of your higher ticketed programs and services as well. So if you want to know how to increase your sales with your book and build a business around your book, make sure that you go to workwithjasmine.com/free gift. I have an amazing video for you, and then you can sign up for a call to speak with me. I'll see you guys soon.